Microsoft has made Windows 11 24H2 one of its most secure and most restrictive versions ever, locking it behind strict system requirements like TPM 2.0, secure boot, supported CPU generations, and minimum RAM thresholds. While these measures aim to improve security, they've also shut out millions of older PCs from experiencing the latest version of Windows. But the community never sleeps, and now, a tool called FlyOOBE 1.50.627 has arrived to change everything. Originally known as Flyby 11, FlyOOBE gives users the power to completely bypass Microsoft's restrictions, bringing Windows 11 24H2 to systems once considered obsolete. Beyond that, it enhances the Windows setup experience itself, removing forced sign-ins, network checks, and regional locks, essentially restoring freedom to how users install and configure Windows. Whether you're an IT admin deploying multiple devices or a home user with an older rig, FlyOOBE makes Windows installation smoother, faster, and smarter than ever. Let's dive into everything new in version 1.50.627 and how it's reshaping the Windows experience. In the ever-evolving world of Windows 11, Microsoft's push toward modern hardware standards has left many users frustrated, unable to install or update their systems due to TPM 2.0, secure boot, CPU, and RAM restrictions. But the tech community has always found innovative solutions to break free from unnecessary limitations. And one of the most powerful utilities leading that movement is FlyOOBE 1.50.627, formerly known as Flyby 11. This incredible lightweight patching tool was created to remove the restrictions Microsoft enforces during Windows 11 installation, especially on version 24H2, which tightens system checks even further. With FlyOOBE, users can now easily bypass TPM requirements, skip secure boot checks, ignore unsupported CPU warnings, and even override minimum RAM thresholds, all in a matter of seconds. What makes FlyOOBE special is its simplicity and efficiency. There's no complex setup or installation required. The tool is completely portable and can be run from a USB drive, providing instant access to an unrestricted Windows installation process. But that's just the beginning. FlyOOBE goes beyond simple bypassing. It also improves the out-of-box experience, OOBE, by giving users more control during the initial Windows setup. Normally, Microsoft forces users to connect to the internet, log in with a Microsoft account, and go through multiple region and network checks before they can even reach the desktop. FlyOOBE eliminates all of that hassle. It allows users to create a local account immediately, skip network configuration entirely, and even bypass region restrictions, ideal for offline setups or systems being configured in restricted environments. This means that for the first time, users can experience a clean, interruption-free installation of Windows 11, tailored exactly the way they want it. And now, with the latest FlyOOBE version 1.50, the tool has received its biggest update yet. One of the key changes is a complete rework of the background rendering engine, which powers the user interface. The new internal gradient-based render replaces the old image-based handler, eliminating issues with locked files, unreleased GDI objects, and redundant event handlers. This major improvement not only reduces memory usage, but also boosts performance and responsiveness across the UI, making FlyOOBE smoother and more stable than ever. Users can even customize their background style directly from the settings menu under Pick Background, giving the tool a more personalized touch. But FlyOOBE 1.50 isn't just about visual improvements. It's smarter and more capable under the hood too. The update introduces support for script-driven input fields in the extension's engine using the new #input, true, and #input placeholder syntax, allowing advanced automation and user-friendly interaction for custom scripts. This enhancement means FlyOOBE can now handle more dynamic configurations, offering maximum compatibility for system administrators and advanced users alike. The update also adds 3 brand new extension scripts that significantly expand the tool's capabilities: FlyOOBE Tool Bridge, Ninite Bulk Installer, and Winget Bulk Installer. The FlyOOBE Tool Bridge script acts as a convenient wrapper that lets users enable, disable, or query hidden Windows features by ID, perfect for power users who love to unlock experimental or unreleased functionality buried deep within Windows. It even supports comma-separated lists of feature IDs, allowing bulk actions in a single click. Next, the Ninite bulk installer is a game changer for new installations. It automatically builds a Ninite bundle URL from user-selected app slugs or names, downloads the installer directly to the desktop with predictable file name, and launches it instantly, making post-installation software setup lightning fast. Imagine setting up a new Windows machine and having all your favorite apps, like Chrome, VLC, WinRAR, and Notepad++, installed automatically in one go. FlyOOBE makes that possible. Similarly, the Winget bulk installer lets users quickly install multiple packages using Microsoft's official Winget package manager, accepting app IDs separated by spaces, commas, or new lines. This makes FlyOOBE an all-in-one deployment tool, streamlining both installation and setup phases like never before. Another highlight of this update is the online update checker, which has been redesigned with a full retro aesthetic reminiscent of early Windows 2000 visuals mixed with Game Boy-style simplicity. It's a nostalgic yet functional addition that reminds us how far Windows customization tools have come, merging old-school design with modern efficiency. Collectively, these updates make FlyOOBE not just a bypass tool, but a comprehensive Windows deployment utility that combines flexibility, speed, and control in one compact package. It's particularly useful for IT administrators who manage large-scale system deployments and need a way to install Windows 11 24H2 on machines that might not meet Microsoft's stringent requirements. By removing unnecessary blockers, FlyOOBE helps extend the life of older hardware while still allowing users to benefit from Windows 11's modern features and security updates. For enthusiasts and home users, it's a way to reclaim control over their devices, ensuring that Microsoft hardware gatekeeping doesn't limit their freedom to choose where and how to run Windows. And because the tool doesn't require installation or registry modification, it remains safe, lightweight, and easily reversible. FlyOOBE continues to uphold the principles of simplicity and transparency. It doesn't trick the system, but instead intelligently removes restrictions during setup, allowing the OS to install normally. This approach has made it a trusted favorite among users who value both performance and privacy. Furthermore, the addition of script-based extensions opens the door for endless customization, making FlyOOBE a modular platform for future features. Version 1.50 also improves compatibility with Windows 11 24H2's new setup engine, ensuring stable operation across all recent builds. And thanks to reduced memory consumption and improved background rendering, FlyOOBE runs flawlessly even on low-spec devices. Proof that powerful doesn't have to mean heavy. Looking forward, the developers behind FlyOOBE continue to innovate, focusing on expanding automation capabilities and adding more control over the out-of-box experience. The community response has been overwhelmingly positive, with many users calling it a must-have tool for anyone frustrated with Microsoft's aggressive hardware enforcement. Whether you're deploying Windows on a legacy laptop, building a custom setup without internet, or managing enterprise-scale rollouts, FlyOOBE 1.50.627 empowers you to install Windows 11 your way. It's fast, lightweight, and incredibly effective at giving users back the control they deserve. So, if you've been struggling with installation blocks, unnecessary sign-in requirements, or setup restrictions, FlyOOBE is your all-in-one solution to take back freedom from forced limitations. With its newly redesigned interface, advanced scripting support, and powerful extension library, FlyOOBE continues to evolve as one of the most efficient, reliable, and user-friendly utilities in a Windows customization world. So, if you're ready to unlock the full potential of Windows 11 24H2 without hardware limits or setup restrictions, give FlyOOBE 1.50.627 a try and experience true installation freedom. It's fast, powerful, and made for users who love control. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking tech updates, and as always, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep watching TechVerse, where technology meets imagination.